the board here at Flat Rock. Flat Rock will be celebrating their 50th anniversary next year. So, who's been to Flat Rock before? Perfect. So for those who've been here, welcome back. And for those who haven't, we're very happy to have you. We hope that this will not just be the first time, but you'll continue to come to Flat Rock. And we're very excited that we can have one of our first activities here to celebrate Juneteenth. As you know, Juneteenth represents freedom, and I think one of the best things that we can do to celebrate our bodies and lives is to just be in nature, you know, to enjoy fresh air, to go on a walk, you know, just to appreciate what God has given us. And so we just welcome you, and I hope you enjoy this nature walk. We take time to just smell and inhale and absorb everything, and we hope that you'll be back.
Give ourselves opportunity to get outside in nature today, walk, celebrate Juneteenth, and just be active out there. So, with that being said, let's get to a walk.
Yeah. Thank you.
Not all of them are like that. You see, like up here when they start to grow, it's usually once they get a bigger more defined that they come out. Yeah. So some people think that they're like red and like have like the red stems. No, they're not. That's only like that when they're first growing. But they're green just like every other plant.
Yep.
So you could like walk by and like brush something and you wouldn't even know.
Exactly.
I wouldn't have known that.
So I'd say most of the time just avoid anything that you that you don't know what it is.
Right.
Okay.